Hi, it's Lynette here, and I have two products here that are from the Fabulosa range, Precious Gold and Raspberry and Frangipani. That smells good enough to eat. They both kill 99.9% of the bacteria that causes smell. So this is a spray and wear range from Fabulosa. It's about £1 for a bottle. There's hundreds of different scents, right? Maybe not hundreds, I'm exaggerating, but there's quite a few different scents. And what I like about this, they're vegan, they're cruelty free, they're reasonably priced. I love the fragrance, frangipani and raspberry. I could actually wear that as a perfume. And unlike the laundry cleanser that I was talking about before, this is designed to be sprayed on your clothes. Be careful though, it does have flammable material in it, so do not be spraying it on your clothes if you're smoking or near a naked flame. And don't spray it into a naked flame. What do I use it for? Well, I use it for various different things around the house. So if I've got something that can't go in the washing machine, I would give it a spray with this. Kind of similar to a Febreze type product actually. You know, if I want to just freshen up my cushions. If I have a Chairdrobe, do you have a Chairdrobe? My boys have Chairdrobes. Anything that's on the Chairdrobe, I'll just spray it. And do you know what a Chairdrobe is? If you don't, it's items that have been worn but aren't dirty enough for the washing machine, right? So if you've got teenage boys, or my boys are a bit older than that, then you might know what a Chairdrobe is. This is great for that. So you've only worn it for a couple of hours, maybe even your pyjamas. You want to wear your pyjamas again, but you want to freshen them up. This is brilliant for that. So what does it say? It refreshes clothes and fabrics while eliminating the bacteria that causes unpleasant smell. It provides a wrinkle-free system. I've not tried this actually on my bedding. I do have Lenore Crease Release, which I can do a review on if you're interested, and do half and half to compare the two. It freshens up garments without having to wash and leaves them smelling fresh. Ideal for use for those in between wash loads. Can be used on hard to wash items and soft surfaces. Up to 400 uses per bottle based on 3 sprays per use. 20 to 25 centimetres away from the item in sweeping motion to ensure proper coverage. Allowed to dry before wearing. It does say that test on a small non-visible area before use. That's just in case it damages any of your fabrics. So take an inconspicuous area. You know, if you decide to spray your curtains, don't just go for it. Maybe spray inside, you know, the hem where you have the material. Test whatever it is before you spray it. Not all material is the same. As I say, I kind of mainly spray it on cushions and things that are on the Chairdrobe. So if I've been in a meeting for 2 hours and, you know, I've wore a shirt for that time, I might just spray it with this and shove it in the wardrobe. If I've been in a meeting for 2 hours and I'm roasting, it goes in the wash. I am kind of perimenopausal, so I am not been using this. Everything I've been wearing has been going straight in the wash for that reason, because I am generally burning. Even you can feel the heat coming from me if you get close enough. But no, it's really good just for freshening things up, and I really like that. So if you've had a jacket that's been in your wardrobe for ages, you know, I'm just thinking when I go back to work, some of my shirts and blouses and trousers won't have been washed for, you know, that sounds horrible, doesn't it? But they'll have been in that wardrobe for ages. And, you know, I might decide to go through and wash them all before I wear them all. I doubt it. I've got too much to do and too much washing. Can never get on top of it. So I'll probably just give them a spray with this. Just a light spray over, and then it's good to go. So only £1. You pick them up from places like Home Bargains, B&M. I got these two from Aldi and threw them in with the weekly shopping, as I do. Yeah, my husband gets a weekly shop, so I'm always throwing stuff in. That's why I love Aldi and places like Lidl and things. They've got all these little extras you can throw in. Yep, they're really nice. I don't know how they compare to Febreze in terms of, you know, how it works, but I love the smell of these. It doesn't smell like Febreze. You know, the blue one, each has their own unique scent, which is what I really, really love. And the raspberry and frangipani is absolutely gorgeous. So if you're like me and you like sweet smells, go for that one. It's really nice. But there are quite a few other sprays. Let me know if you've tried these before and what you think. Let me know as well, do you know what a Chairdrobe is? Or does everything in your house always go in the washing machine? This is great for those big, massive, cuddly teddies and things, I'm sure. I remember we had those and it was always a dilemma. How do you wash them? So yeah, let me know how you get on, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye-bye. I'm laughing because I can hear Poppy and I'm trying to stop this video and it's not working. She's shouting Stephen and Lynette. I don't know if you can hear her. I'm definitely going now, guys. Bye-bye.